Imagine having access to tools that can supercharge your productivity. What if I told you these tools are free and feel almost too good to be true? Welcome to the world of AI tools that can elevate your everyday tasks effortlessly. In this video, I'll reveal 10 free AI tools that you may find hard to believe even exist. Let's dive into these incredible tools step by step. Each tool serves a unique purpose and can help simplify complex tasks. First up is ChatGPT. This tool can generate human-like conversation. You can use it for writing, brainstorming, or customer support. Next, we have DALL-E 2. This tool creates stunning images from simple text prompts. Just type what you want and watch it come to life visually. Then there's Canva's AI feature for design. It instantly creates stunning graphics or presentations. You can save time on design and still look professional. Moving on, we have Grammarly. It's not just a spell checker, it improves your writing style. It suggests better word choices and checks for tone. Fifth is Copy.ai. This tool generates content ideas or complete drafts in seconds. Perfect for marketers and bloggers looking for inspiration. Number 6 is Lumen 5. This tool turns blog posts into engaging videos. Just paste your text, and Lumen 5 creates a video for you. Seventh, we have Copysmith. This tool speeds up ad creation. It generates catchy taglines and ad copies, simplifying your marketing efforts. Eighth is Maltego. It helps you analyze relationships between data elements. Cybersecurity experts love it for its investigative capabilities. Ninth on the list is Quillbot. This paraphrasing tool helps improve text clarity. Great for students and professionals wanting polished content. Finally, we have Descript. This tool allows for audio and video editing seamlessly. Just edit text, and it changes the media for you. Each of these tools can transform how you work. They make difficult tasks manageable and fun. Imagine writing a blog post in minutes or creating a professional video effortlessly. In summary, these 10 free AI tools could feel unbelievable, yet they exist to help you. From writing assistants to video creation, they are game changers. So what are you waiting for? Dive into these tools and revolutionize your workflow. Start exploring today and harness the power of AI in your daily life.